It has been one heck of a morning. These two, I opened up this so they're a little more comfortable going outside now. Come on, guys. Look at that. Baby steps. Come on, Zeus. You'll just follow me over here. Or not. So pretty much, let's say hi to Cammy. Let's say hi to Payne. Hi, Payne. So things we learned today. Mila is getting better at knowing her name. Yes, yes. And Zeus, on the other hand, I don't think he still understands what his name is. I think he's getting there. Zeus today learned how to climb onto the couch over here. So I've been going back and forth with him all day. Mila, Zeus. Oh my gosh, there they go. Both pissed and took poops in the house. I'm still not understanding how to get them to pee and poop on the pee pads. They literally pooped right next to the pee pad. They literally pooped and peed right next to the pee pads. Well, not peed, they pooped next to the pee pads. I don't know if that's a step forward, but we'll see. I put the harnesses on them because I want to go walk them. So let's go do that. You guys are gonna come for a walk? Ready for a walk? Let's go. So I stuffed that toy with a couple of treats and it is working out really good. They both really like it. I need to get another one because they're kind of fighting over it. But it's definitely keeping them entertained. Here's some of the treats and they don't even realize it's on the floor. They're so busy with the ball, they don't even care. Which is good. So they get their teething going and, you know, just having a ball. Hopefully this tires them out a bit and then they could go to sleep. So I can run my errands real quick. Big stomping. David, don't hype him.
Mila. Mila.
Go back, go ahead.
Mila. 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 Mila.
David, they're tired.
Zeus. Come, Zeus. How are you, my boy? Good. Oh my God. You laughing over there like...
No, it's gross. That's what I got you to do.
Mila. Zeus. Bad boy. Mila. Bad girl.
I think it was Mila.
Her ass must be wet. Pause.
Stay.
No, hey, don't eat it. Stay there. Is it okay to spray Clorox around dogs? Out of curiosity, can someone answer that down below? But yeah, this is what you gotta go through. I should get more napkins, but I'm just trying. Oh, I just smeared it. That's not good. Nicole,
I think she like
next time you're cleaning it, okay? You're laughing at me, making me play the mom.
No. Oh,
look at them.
That's the mom's job?
I'm just kidding. It's our job.
It's both of our.
Yo, you guys are ridiculous, yo. Day 2.
Look,
It's 2:01.
Hey, Zeus, chill out. Sorry, that was your brother.
Yeah.
Mila, what's wrong with your booty?
Nah, show Nicole's kitchen.
Nicole's kitchen.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. You guys are so rude. Ugh. Owning Dobermans, puppies.
And then they want to sniff where they just pissed.
Pissed that, right? No. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. What is this, day 3?
2.
Oh my god, yo. That's so crazy. It's day,
Only 2.
Day 2. Oh my god. I haven't slept yet, by the way. Me and Nicole, we take turns just cleaning up after the dogs. Because that's what parents do, right?
What good parents do.
Yeah, what good parents do.
Take turns.
Mila, come here, girl. Come here, girl.
Mila.
Good girl. Sit, Mila. Mila, come here.
Mila.
Come here. Sit. Sit. Sit.
She did learn that command for sure. She definitely knows how to sit.
They just peed and left like shit sweet.
They said fudge, y'all. Zeus. So they just now started stop crying in the cage, but I know he starts crying when he wants to get out. Zeus, do you have to go potty? Okay. Come on, guys. So I went downstairs to get a couple of items that I purchased on Amazon. This, I didn't even realize how much I would need it. This man keeps biting my feet. You gotta stop. Now she's following. Stop. Stop. It's probably because they're all fluffy and stuffed. But, yeah. I went downstairs to get a couple of the things I ordered off of Amazon. This, I didn't know how much I was gonna need it. Then I got some ear wipes for them because Dobermans are prone. He's like really ripping at it. Dobermans are prone to ear infections from what I have been hearing on videos. He is really trying right now. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. I like this one. She's smelling it. Okay. And then I also got this idea from another Doberman owner. So Bernie's Perfect Poop. Mila over here. Sit, Mila. Mila. Mila, sit. Good girl. See, they learn sit, so they've been so good. Now here they go. Mila has been having like diarrhea poop. Hopefully this right here will help her. And I got these little bins actually from Aldi. And I think it looks really cute right here. It looks very aesthetic. Yes. Oh, you want to give everybody kisses? She's giving you guys kisses. So we'll really go with the chew toy. Hey, Zeus. But this right here is a holy grail. Like, they will sit there with it. Now they're starting to touch that bone. Hey, you want to Mila? But I just bought a Kong toy with some filler. And it should be coming in the next couple of days. So that they both have something to kind of chew on and get enriched by. Because they're not as enthused by the rope toys. Or I guess now they're just starting to open up to them. And here comes Zeus.
Hey YouTube. Aw, boy. Zeus. Be happy. Mila should be happy too. By the way, you guys, this is day 3 with our Doberman puppies, and we're very excited. Nicole's not happy with me right now for some reason. Just like Zeus is whining, I should be whining just like him. Zeus!
What's wrong, buddy?
Mila's good. Why can't you be good for now? I know.
He wants to be healthy.
You're about to see your brothers and sisters. We're gonna go ahead and surprise Zeus and Mila with their siblings before, you know, the owner sells it to his clientele, and hopefully, you know, his mom is there. That'd be great, and just to get them together to reunite. We want to keep that relationship strong, and for them to spend time with their mom, you know, once in the blue moon. But
boy, he's crying.
well, we're 27 minutes away. Look who it is. Yeah. It is.
Look. It's mommy.
Go. It's mommy.
See Zeus. Oh, he's so happy. Look.
Hold come here.
Hey, Lewis. Come on, Mila. Come on. Good girl.
Mila and Zeus? Yeah, man. This is the GOAT. If you don't know, Southpaw Kennels. Lewis gets the job done. He gave me the best customer service ever. Shout out to him. You know what I mean?
Legendary.
This is a pleasure, man.
This is what I create. These things right here. These little cuties.
Hey.
Come on, babies. Come on. Yes, my baby. Good boy, Zeus. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, mommy's so happy to see her puppies.
Okay now? Yes, sir.
Now he's drinking some water. Hi, baby girl. Hi, buddy. Is that Mila?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Mala, sit. Sit.
They love the grass.
Yeah, she's alive. Gang.
There's too much going on for her. Oh.
Savages. Look at them. Can't even like get them off. You know what it looks like? A whole bunch of eels on a dead body. Eels? Eels on a dead body over here. Nah. The eels feed? Yeah, that's how they do it.
Yep.
And they're gonna keep looking for their food now.
Mm-hmm.
But,
Well, at least they'll be in the one spot.
oh, I got you going on. Yo! All right, you guys, thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
It was
Hope
awesome.
you enjoyed.
Definitely. I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes.
Yeah.
You know, we definitely had
It's
a
time
great
to go.
time. Historic moment with Mila and Zeus's family and his mom, Mila. Shout out to Lewis, Southpaw Kennels. If you don't know, once again, we'll leave the link in the description and in the bio. And then after that,
our babies are gonna go to sleep.
yeah, honestly,
Probably gonna fall asleep in the car.
I'm getting bit up. I'm not gonna lie.
Thanks, guys. See you guys next time. Peace out.